Let's continue investigating program evaluation, our major topic. And in this regard, I've got a journal article by Tom Hudson in order to better understand program evaluation. Tom Hudson, it's important to note that this researcher draws our attention towards an important aspect of program evaluation to make decisions by analyzing the performance of the students. And this is what we will continue to see, right? We will see the aspect of student performance as analyzed by Tom Hudson. But before we proceed with the video, I would just like you to stop the video for a while and look at the question here. How can we assess a language program through student performance? Very important question. The student performance, what they have achieved, can we measure the success or failure of the program against the student performance? I would just like you to think through this question and then watch the rest of the video. Right. The student performance is a reality of the language classroom procedures. And it's by Tom Hudson, this is an important variable in terms of understanding the overall success or failure of the course. And this aspect shouldn't be overlooked when we are talking about program evaluation. Very important statement, right? So whether the student have, mastered, or if they failed to, less achieve, or if they are, underperforming in a language program, we can make our decisions, mastery decisions in evaluation. So these mastery decisions refer to whether the students master the content or not, or whether they have reached the required competence level. For example, if the students are studying English for academic purposes, so whether they have, acquired the content according to the required parameters. I mean, this could be another yardstick to look at the ongoingness of the program, right? And in this connection, Tom Hudson draws our attention towards mastery testing to understand the relative standards of a program, language program, right? Well, evaluation, we could, in order to, student performance, it's not the learned, content, but we can make some decisions about by analyzing the behavior of the students and their cognition, what's going on there in their minds, what's their confidence level after the program finishes, what's their self-esteem or self-confidence level, self-identity level at the end of the program. So this approach will help us, analyze the discrepancies between how we know what we know and how we view what we teach. So this is another tool which we could utilize to make informed judgments about the evaluation of a program. And this is what Tom Hudson considers making some mastery decisions. In order to make mastery decisions, we need to look at the student performance and their relative, their relativeness against the success or failure of a language program.